Bitcoin to hit $50,000. It's a big number, isn't it? By a certain date. I'm going to share with you what that date is, give you the exact number and kind of the expectations around that in this video. As always, thanks for your time. Do two things. Smash that like button below, please. It would greatly help me out. And hit that subscribe button below as well if you like my content, because I make content with one goal: to help you navigate crypto, make more money in crypto, because that's really all I care about, and just keep you updated so that you know what the heck is going on. So this is the Bitcoin chart right now. Okay, so Bitcoin, this is a 4-hour chart. So every candle you see here is 4 hours worth of trading data. I got to give a little plug. This is my software that gave a buy alert right here. Links in the description below to pick it up for a discount. And after that buy alert, we're up 26+%. You can see my software has not issued a sell alert yet. That's what my software does. Helps you know when to buy and when to sell. You can use this for any crypto out there, any stocks out there if you want. By the way, this is it for Apple. You can see that's a buy, that's a sell. It works for any stocks, any cryptos, things like that. So if you're interested and want to know when to buy and sell certain cryptos, by the way, this is Solana. It issued a buy alert for Solana right here 16 days ago. It's up 60%. Has not issued a sell alert yet because it's not time to sell it. Links in the description below. Pick it out. And by the way, with the discount code down there, you can get it for basically $37, or it takes a discount off of quarterly or annual as well. And that's the deal. You can basically get it. It's like $1 a day is what it costs you. 30-day, no questions asked, refund guarantee as well. You're protected. So Bitcoin to hit $50,000 by April 15th, 2024. That is the next Bitcoin halving event. There is your number. This is coming from an analyst that I really, really like, Michael Vanderpope. He's talking about this. Basically, all of his analytics are extremely based in technical analysis, and I really am a huge fan of Michael. And so kind of moving forward and looking at what Bitcoin is right now, as of the recording this video, it's at 34,700. So to see that hit 50,000 by April, which is basically right at, that's the pre-halving. That's so going up to that. That's what you need to be aware of. And that's something that I think is a big thing to take a look at. Let me show you something else here if I still have that article pulled up. Yeah, this was it. Also, kind of to show you this. So we're looking at this blue line right here is when we could see Bitcoin go to that 50,000, but it's the red box I want to point you right here. You'll notice that that box is dropping down, kind of points to a number in the 25 to 26,000 range. That's very important to know, because we could see that historically. What happens is that we have a price run up leading up to the Bitcoin halving event, right? That's what history tells us. It's done that before. And then it's kind of the buy the hype, sell the news, right? So we could see Bitcoin then drop into that 24, 25,000 range. Yes, I know that's a 50% drop if we were to hit that 50,000, but that's the bad news. But I'm also viewing it as an opportunity, because it could quite possibly be your last time to accumulate Bitcoin, because you see this green box right here. That's the parabolic run up for Bitcoin to hit by the first quarter of 2025, for Bitcoin to hit north of 100,000 plus. And Michael even talks about that in his article, the fact that we will see by January, February of 2025, seeing Bitcoin hit easily 100,000, if not 125, 130,000. That's that parabolic run. And look, this is history right here. See, this is back in 2019. See where my mouse is right here? This was right here, the blue line with the blue circle. That was the halving. Now, Bitcoin did not drop at that time. That red box, it didn't show a drop. But look at the parabolic run that happened after that, where we saw Bitcoin go from, say, 12 or 13,000 range all the way up to its all-time high of 69,000. That was that green box right there. And you see that. Now that's what we are seeing right here, this green box right here coming up at us. And that's when that's going to happen, start, after that, after the halving event. So food for thought. Bitcoin to hit 50,000, I think by the blue line, the halving event is quite possible. Could be 45, 40, but still in that range, I think we could see that pretty reasonably. 50,000 is probably a stretch number, get there. But then remember, the red box, will see it drop. So you got to have a buying and a selling plan to help you know when to buy and when to sell, to bring that back. That's what my software can help you do. Links are in the description, helps you know when to buy, but more importantly, when to sell and lock in those profits. That's what you really need to be aware of. So links in the description below, pick it up, Try it. You have 30 days to try it effectively for free. Go do it now. What do you think? Bitcoin to 50,000 by April of 2024. I think it's going to happen. I'll see you. Bye.